Eric back at the Naturopath. Thanks for coming to this channel, checking it out. We get so many questions regarding the Candida products, so I've tried to create a lot of playlists on this channel, and particularly playlists regarding these Candida products, so you can look up that information. But lots of questions, so there's going to be plenty of answers, no doubt. So let's answer this question. This is regarding a person who's got the Candida Restore and the Candida Remove and wants to know if they should take Candida Rebuild as well, and what time during their protocol should they be taking this product. Should they leave it out? Should they put it in here? Or what should they do? There's a lot of confusion. I don't know whether I'm supposed to take Candida Rebuild whilst taking Remove or Restore. I got a complete 3 to 6 month cycle of Remove and Restore. Can you clarify this, please? Well, that's easy to clarify. If you look at what the three products do individually and together as a team, you'll understand why it's important to look at all the three products. So the Remove, as I've mentioned many times, is exactly what it says. It cleans the gut up, gets rid of a lot of the background noise, all right? Tidies it up, gets rid of like high populations of yeast, starts working on dysbiotic bacteria, works on parasites. So that's really just a cleansing kind of product, all right? Most all people could benefit from Remove. Even people who think they're like in amazing health, in top shape, often feel even better when they've had a course of Remove for a few weeks, because it cleans the gut up, it helps to balance. Now the Restore, and again, does what it says. It restores the gut. It's the probiotics and enzyme combination, which is a very intelligent combination on putting two supplements together that really help to complement each other. So this is the perfect companion product for the Remove. Remove and Restore go really well together. Probably like Coke and fries, all right? Probably like a glass of wine and a nice piece of bread with cheese. I mean, some things just go together, all right? So these things are designed to fit together. Now the Rebuild is the multi. So the Rebuild was created because many people who go into this program will have some type of deficiency. They'll have some mineral deficiency or some vitamin deficiency. We're not talking major, we're talking like minor in many cases. Now many other people will have an outstanding diet that go into this protocol that perhaps don't need Rebuild as much as many other people do. But there's one thing the Candida Rebuild has got that most other multis don't have. It's got a back end, an antimicrobial back end, meaning it also helps to clean and to keep the gut balanced. But it's low key, all right? So it supplies deficiencies. So Rebuild can be used at any time during the protocol, from the beginning right through to the end. Many people will profit from taking one Rebuild tablet for several weeks as they're going through the protocol. Other people like me, for example, who eat a lot of fermented foods, a lot of sprouts, lots of legumes, lots of healthy vegetables and fruits, don't tend to have such a high need for Rebuild as many people who don't eat like that. Not everybody eats like that. Many people will eat packaged foods or processed foods, or they'll get onto Uber Eats, they'll ring up and they'll get something delivered. There's nothing wrong with that. And the point I'm making is the higher quality your diet is to begin with, the less likelihood you're going to need to take Rebuild throughout the program, all right? But most people don't fit in that category. Even I have deficiencies at times. I'm sure I do, of magnesium, for example, and things like that. Not gross deficiencies, but I can certainly pick it when I need, for example, additional magnesium. So Rebuild can be used at the beginning, in the intermediate stage, or in the end. You may, for example, just want to take Remove and Restore for the first several weeks, all right? Especially if you're very ill or you're not feeling well. Start nice and low dosage, and then gradually as you pick up, add Rebuild in at the rate of 1 per day. Because otherwise too much antimicrobial activity in the beginning can overwhelm the gut sometimes and make you feel quite unwell. Rebuild is not a powerful product in terms of like the Remove, but it still has that antimicrobial herbal back end. Many different herbs in there that will help to keep the gut clean. So it's a particularly good maintenance product for people too, who want to just take a multi, 1 per day, just maintain that nice clean gut. This will do that for several weeks or months after. So that's a bit about Rebuild, Restore and Remove. Thanks for the question.